When diagnosing an aging solar array, the standard habit for professional installers is simple: testing the health of a panel by checking its open circuit voltage. Industry warranties set a baseline expectation that a solar panel will retain roughly 80. To find the actual state of the panel, we have to rely on the fundamental power equation. Power equals voltage multiplied by current. Solar panel degradation is an electrical asymmetry. Over years of UV exposure and thermal cycling, the panel's ability to generate current drops significantly. Because voltage stays high, the shrinking current pulls total power output directly down with it. Relying strictly on a voltage test creates a false positive during field diagnostics. This hidden drop in current means the array is underperforming despite looking healthy on a meter, creating a mismatch between the panel's actual output and its original design specifications. The degradation begins with physical catalysts. Continuous ultraviolet radiation actively breaks down the protective encapsulant layers surrounding the silicon cells. Secondary environmental factors accelerate the wear. Daily thermal cycling expands and contracts the materials, creating microcracks in the silicon, while moisture ingress slowly degrades the internal metallic connections. The final physical factor is potential induced degradation, or PID, where high voltage differentials drive leakage currents through the panel frame, sapping usable power. This line chart maps how these physical factors mathematically compound. It plots the exponential decay formula for power over a 25-year timeline, contrasting a steep exponential curve against a straight linear baseline. A typical degradation rate of 0.7% per year is not a flat linear drop. Because the loss is calculated against a shrinking total every year, the long-term deficit compounds rapidly over a decade. On a standard current voltage curve, the voltage axis remains static, while the current axis incrementally collapses downward over time. The peak of this curve is the maximum power point, where the panel generates highest wattage. The collapsing current forces this target to migrate drastically lower. The mathematical reality of an aging array is a constantly moving target of optimal power. An old panel is an entirely different electrical component than a new one. This schematic outlines a standard series string of 4 solar panels. Total current flow is strictly limited by the weakest node. When one degrades faster, mismatch loss occurs. If a single panel's output drops to 8 amps, it throttles the entire circuit down to match. Mixing old panels with new panels in the same series string is a severe design flaw. The degraded panels will immediately cap the current, destroying the efficiency gains of the new hardware. The danger escalates rapidly if that already degraded panel develops a physical defect, like severe microcracking or partial shading from debris. In this internal schematic, the weakest panel can no longer pass heavy current. The electrical vectors violently reverse direction, forcing power into the damaged cell. In this reverse bias state, it becomes a resistor load. Consequently, the panel begins dissipating the energy entirely as heat. This intense, localized thermal event is known as a hotspot. Mismatch within a series string drives healthy panels to force current through nodes with higher resistance. This conversion of power into heat can reach temperatures high enough to melt backsheets, destroy silicon, or ignite a fire. The impact of degraded current limits does not stop at the roof. It travels downstream, directly impacting the maximum power point tracking charge controller. MPPT algorithms are designed to constantly calculate the ideal voltage and current ratio to pull maximum power from the array. To do this efficiently, they rely on predictable, arched IV curves. This split screen shows degraded curves confusing tracking software. Top. The algorithm oscillates wildly, hunting for a peak but failing to lock on, drastically lowering efficiency. Bottom. Tracking the ultimate consequence, a cumulative daily energy deficit applied directly to the battery bank. The battery chemistry determines the severity of this deficit. Lithium iron phosphate batteries will experience a gradually reduced usable daily capacity. Lead-acid systems face catastrophic structural failure. Chronic undercharging in lead-acid systems triggers a chemical reaction called sulfation. This microscopic time-lapse reveals rigid crystalline structures rapidly growing and interlocking across lead plates. Sulfation physically coats the porous lead, suffocating the chemical reaction required to store electricity. The result is a permanent, irreversible loss of battery capacity. Leaving panel degradation unaddressed introduces a cycle of chronic undercharging and software instability that shortens the operational lifespan of both the charge controller and the battery bank. Fluctuating current limits take a severe physical toll on the hardware connecting the array, specifically the MC4 connectors linking the cables. This split-screen cross-section compares a pristine MC4 interior on the left against a heavily corroded, heat-warped interior on the right. Aging and severe thermal cycling force these contacts to degrade and build up localized electrical resistance. Heat buildup at the connector level is one of the leading origin points for complete solar system fires. For safety, never attempt to disconnect MC4 connectors while the system is under load. Breaking the circuit will draw a high-voltage electrical arc that can cause immediate, severe burns. Always isolate the array first. To catch these failures safely, you must utilize the correct diagnostic protocol shown in this cable. Stop relying on open-circuit voltage tests. Technicians must measure the short-circuit current of individual strings using a calibrated DC clamp meter. Those field readings must be carefully compared to original spec sheet ratings, adjusted for current sunlight conditions. This calculation isolates the exact current loss to degradation. To mitigate risks on existing arrays, verify physical string balance by measuring output across parallel branches. Significant current deviations will immediately flag failing hardware. For new designs, strictly group panels drawn from identical manufacturing batches. Maintain physical cleanliness to ensure even sunlight absorption and provide adequate underpanel ventilation to vent extreme heat. The elemental degradation of solar cells is mathematically unavoidable. However, by understanding the electrical asymmetry of how panels actually age, a technician can spot critical failures early, prevent thermal destruction, and keep off-grid power reliable for decades.